up, guys? Today I'll be reviewing the Comica professional audio equipment. So this is basically a microphone, professional microphone for podcasting and YouTube and whatever that you plug to your phone. It's for your smartphone, basically. It's literally goes for your smartphone. All right, comes in a beautiful little case. All right, tells you all the descriptions and stuff you could do, how to install it. Supports Android, iOS. I have an iPhone 10, so I'll give you a little description later about that. Comes in a nice carrier bag, a nice little professional one. You can take it. It's not that big, right? You can take it with you to trips. Like I'm on holiday right now, so I took it with me. All right, it has a description and instructions. Manual, how to plug it into your phone and into the mic. This is the mic. Comes with a stand and another one, and the cat mic. You know, this is I guess this is for audio, for perfect audio, like when you're outside and stuff. This is like the cat for whatever you plug it over the mic part. Gives you instructions how to put everything together. You know, this part, I guess this is the part to hold. This is the part to hold your phone in. This is the mic, nice spongy part of the mic. And this is the stand. This is the cable that goes from your phone to the mic, right? And this is the nice, it's actually good quality as well. It's good grip. This is a grip, you know what I mean? All right, and it's also a stand. Boom. Very good quality, actually. Very good quality. Ooh, okay, got it. All right, so you got the adjuster on the side, and this is to help you screw on. So if you want to rotate, so you can screw it on this way, or also with the screw. It's kind of like a wheel, and it helps you screw it on tight. So actually, it's really nice, and I mean it's solid. Screw on solid. And of course, this goes into your phone, goes into this way. This top part is your adjustment to your height. So basically, which is great because you have your buy your stands, like the little, your tripods, right? And they have like a plastic part. This will come up here, has like a spring, right? And it'll hook onto your phone. That can break easily. This is solid. This is not breaking. This is very solid, really solid. So it goes, so this will adjust on the top, will adjust the height, whatever, width or height your phone may be. So I have, like I said, I have the iPhone 10. So that should slide in there perfectly. If you have a bigger phone, that will slide in. So let's see how high it can go. It's going pretty high, right? So the microphone, so your phone will place this way with the face facing this way, and you plug in the microphone to the opposite direction. Boom, which is great. Then it has this little screw right here, another wheel to lock it up tight. Boom. I mean, right now, I mean this is great, but this has a little flexibility with it to go up and down, but it's still very solid. I mean, this product right here is very solid. I mean, so far right now, just the building of it or putting it together, very solid, man. Really solid. I mean, this is good quality. I mean, look, I can move it around, you know what I mean? I got the handle, which comes in handy when you want to be mobile and want to film on the go. And also it has a stand where you can just place it, boom, place it on the table and record. Okay, so that's this installing of this product done. So boom. It's a nice little handy, it looks professional, it doesn't look too big. You know how you have the tourists and people walking around with big ass cameras and big camera. So this one it's a smaller product, and it's better, easier to handle, right? So I can literally walk around this without looking out of place and bring too much attention to myself, which is very important for me because I hate bringing attention to myself, especially when I'm overseas, when people are already staring at me. So yeah. All right, with this side, you can tell with this side, it has a 3 stripes, right? The 3 stripes. So the 3 stripes would go this way. I guess it's for the HD quality. This side would have to be plugged into your phone. So I would go, of course, I have an Apple iPhone 10, so I need to have the adapter, right? Jack adapter for sound and headphones, whatever. So this is gonna get plugged into the iPhone. Obviously, you got Android. This plug-in could go straight into your phone, right? This goes into the mic, which has the 2 stripes on this side. This has spots. The 3 stripe side, it tells you, it will show you on here as well. 3 stripe. This goes into your phone. It kind of gives you a little phone image here as well, which is great, and it has the name of the product here. So this goes into the product, that goes into your phone. Very simple. So let's plug it in and see. So that's pretty cool. All right, now I'm gonna film it using the microphone. All right, so now I'm filming it with another stand on my phone, which is speaker. So let's see what the voice quality is like when I film it on this. All right, I'll be back. Check my phone. Check 1 2. How's the sound? Comment below. Tell me if the sound is better. Obviously, I just plugged in the mic, so the sound should be better. It should be better HD quality sound. There should be no noises from the background. I'm gonna do an example. I'm gonna put the AC on. I'm gonna put the AC on pretty high, and I'm gonna talk through the microphone and see if it helps. Actually, I'm gonna put this on, which is like the cat for whatever, and that helps quality to block out sound from surrounding sound. So I'm gonna plug this on and see if there's a difference. And I'm gonna say something and see if this makes a difference. Comment below and let me know what you think, if there's a difference or there's no difference. And obviously the sound prior to this segment, I was using my iPhone, so you can hopefully see what the sound difference is like. All right, the sound quality should have changed, but let's see. So I'm gonna plug this on, and I'm gonna pick up the tripod, and I'm just gonna film like this and talk through the AC and see if this sound quality is still the same. Okay. All right. So I got the AC up, and I want to let me know if you can hear that in the background. I mean, you shouldn't, because I got the cat fur on, so you shouldn't really hear it in the background. So yeah, so this is me using it. This is my apartment in I just rented this apartment in Poland, in Krakow, Poland. I'm also be doing a video about that, so stay tuned. So yeah, so this is using the Comica. So let me give you the right detail. The Comica CVM-VM10-K2. I got this on Amazon, so you can go on Amazon and get this. It was about, I live in the UK, so I'm gonna talk about pounds. Everything with my travel videos, whatever, when it comes to currency, whatever, I'm gonna talk pounds. So you just do your conversion in whatever currency wherever you live and whatever currency you have. So it cost me about 68 pounds sterling. Delivery was amazing. Delivery came like next day. I'm a Prime member as well too, so it came the next day. I mean, if you're not, it would take about 3 to 4 days. It comes, of course, in great packaging, the box and the carry case. So for instance, I can carry this. I can take this anywhere with me abroad, and I can do filming, and I know my equipment is nicely protected. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you wanna please comment, you know what I mean, hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna try and do more and more and more. I mean, I'm new at this, and I'm trying to just, you know, I mean, I've been focused on my Instagram for a long time, so now I'm trying to get into this YouTubing game. Anyway, live, laugh, love, and of course travel. All right, peace.